Upcoming Xperia phones with bezel-less display and dual cameras. In a shift from its current design philosophy, in 2018, Sony may release at least 2 Xperia smartphones that sport near bezel-less displays. As recently reported, one of these upcoming handsets could be a flagship successor to this year's Xperia XZ Premium. Georgian website Vortex claims to have some details about the design and features of Sony's 2018 flagship smartphone, in addition to info about the design of a second non-flagship Xperia. Reportedly, the renders that we're seeing in this video are based on Sony's own design drafts. The handset with less rounded corners and a shiny back is supposed to be the flagship model. Allegedly, its features include dual front-facing speakers, a dual rear camera, a 4K screen of unknown size, probably at least 5.5 inches, 6 GB of RAM, 128 GB of storage space, and Qualcomm's newly announced Snapdragon 845 processor. It's said that this phone may have a fingerprint scanner embedded into its display, which would make it one of the first handsets to offer such a fingerprint sensor solution. The second upcoming Sony handset should also bring dual front-facing speakers and a dual rear camera, though its fingerprint sensor is expected to be a normal one situated on the back panel. Other features remain unknown. At this very moment, we can't confirm any of the details, but we do know that Sony's smartphone designs need to evolve, and perhaps the direction suggested by these new renders is the right one.